You don't know, you know. I'm a lady and the first lady of reggae dancehall, and me I bring to you and you and you. What me say? Jamaica from the outside. And Jamaica from the outside. And I'm a lady and the first lady of reggae dancehall. I endorse it. I always say to them, one out of a many connection. One out.
Hey guys, welcome to another episode. I hope you're all having an amazing weekend. Guys, today I want to talk to you about a hidden gem that I discovered today. Now, this gem is located amidst the vibrant coastal beauty of Boynton Beach in Florida. It's a delightful farmers market that opens its gate to the public every Saturday from 9 a.m. to 3 p.m. Guys, if you go there, prepare to be enchanted as you step into a world of Jamaican flavors and tropical delight. As you can see, guys, this is a vast property. Acres and acres of Jamaican fruits and vegetables that are grown on this property for sale and also for preparing meals that are sold. What you're looking at here is callaloo. Rows and rows of callaloo. This here is scallion, guys. A lot of scallion. There are also okras and thyme and other vegetables, but just a wide variety of fruits and vegetables that were there. They also had fruit trees that were also used, I guess, in the kitchen because they also have a restaurant where they sell meals. But yes, so what we're looking at right now, guys, these here are just a variety of vegetables that we're seeing here. These are callaloo. Yes, a lot of coconut trees in the background because they also sell jelly coconuts. Now, guys, isn't this amazing, guys? It's just acres upon acres of Jamaican fruits and vegetables and all the things that we need to use in our kitchens in terms of spices and seasonings. And just look at that, guys. Just look at all that vegetation. Can you imagine? Guys, this is the area that they sell the produce. Pumpkin, cabbage, carrots, all different kind of fruits and vegetables, plantains, as you can see, and potatoes. All the items were reasonably priced. This is the area where the food was prepared. Here they were jerking chicken and pork, cooking soup, and they transported it from this area to the restaurant. Now, over the restaurant area is where the food was ordered and served. You know, it was really a nice ambience, guys. You know, they were playing Jamaican music. We heard Buju Banton, the Gaga Mel in the background playing. It was really nice. And I was just there holding a vibe with the chef and the cook. So this is where you go and order your meals, guys. They had tables and chairs and you would sit and eat. And there were a lot of people just chit-chatting and shooting the breeze, you know, enjoying the day. It was really, really nice. You had juice men too, you know, at different spots selling juices. I really wasn't interested in the juice. I was interested in the coconut water. You know, there were carts with coconuts, and you select your coconut and you ordered it. It was cut and you could have it right there. See the coconuts here, and he also had sugar cane, so you could have it to go, or you could take it there. It was really, really a nice vibe, guys. One of the things I liked about the old setup was the designated play area that they had for children. So families who brought their young ones could have them there playing while they eat nearby and keep an eye on them. Or, it's an opportunity for them to meet other kids. As you can see, it's a very colorful and entertaining play area. Overall, it was just a nice vibe, guys. Really, really nice. And I really enjoyed spending my Saturday there. Guys, thanks for watching. Thank you.